After 60, many people start noticing something frustrating. Muscles feel weaker, the arms and legs get thinner, and it becomes harder to lift things or even stand up quickly. It's not your imagination. It's a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that naturally happens as we age. But here's the good news. Recent studies show that a simple spoonful of the right nutrients before bed can actually help rebuild muscle naturally while you sleep. In today's video, we'll uncover why muscle loss speeds up after 60, the nighttime secret that helps your body rebuild muscle, and simple foods and habits you can add tonight to stay strong, energized, and independent. So make sure to watch until the end, because just one small change before bedtime could help your body feel decades younger. Why we lose muscle after 60. Let's start with the why. After the age of 60, our bodies begin to lose about 3 to 5% of muscle every decade, mostly because of slower protein absorption, lower activity levels, and hormonal changes. When we don't get enough high-quality protein, especially at night, our body starts breaking down muscle tissue faster than it can rebuild it. That's why so many older adults wake up feeling weak, stiff, or low on energy, even if they eat well during the day. And here's something most people don't realize. Your muscles actually repair and grow while you sleep, not when you're awake. So if your body doesn't have the right nutrients before bedtime, it can't do that rebuilding work effectively. The nighttime muscle rebuilding secret now. Here's the secret, and it's surprisingly simple. A study from Maastricht University found that a small serving of slow-digesting protein before bed significantly boosted muscle repair and strength gains in older adults. That one spoon could be something as simple as a spoonful of Greek yogurt, a scoop of casein or whey protein, or a mix of milk with turmeric and honey. These foods release amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, slowly throughout the night, giving your body a steady supply of nutrients for repair. And don't underestimate the power of tryptophan-rich foods like warm milk, yogurt, or chia seeds. They not only support muscle recovery, but also help you sleep deeper, which is essential for your body's natural healing process. The best one-spoon bedtime recipe. If you want a simple, natural bedtime recipe to start tonight, try this. 1 spoon of Greek yogurt, plus a pinch of turmeric, plus a drop of honey. It might sound simple, but here's what happens. Greek yogurt provides casein protein, slow and steady muscle fuel overnight. Turmeric fights inflammation in aging muscles and joints. Honey gives a small amount of natural sugar that helps your body absorb amino acids better while you sleep. Eat it or drink it about 30 minutes before bed and let your body do the rest. You'll likely notice that after just a few nights, your sleep improves, your morning stiffness decreases, and over time, your muscles feel stronger and more responsive. Foods that block muscle repair. After 60 now, if that bedtime spoon gives your body what it needs to rebuild muscle, there are also a few foods that do the opposite. They slow your recovery and even break down muscle tissue over time. Let's go through a few of the biggest culprits. 1. Sugary snacks and processed carbs. These foods cause blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes that drain your energy. But what most people don't realize is that high sugar intake also increases inflammation, which weakens muscle fibers and makes it harder for your body to repair tissue. Better option, fresh fruit like berries, apples, or a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% or higher. They satisfy your sweet tooth while helping your muscles recover naturally. 2. Fried and processed meats. These are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that trigger inflammation in joints and muscles. Over time, that inflammation makes you feel stiff, sore, and tired, even if you're getting enough protein. Better option, grilled salmon, baked chicken, or a bowl of lentil soup. They provide clean protein without the harmful additives that slow muscle repair. 3. Margarine and refined oils. Many light or low cholesterol oils sound healthy, but they often contain trans fats, which block protein synthesis, meaning your body can't use protein effectively to rebuild muscle. Better option, use olive oil or avocado oil instead. They're rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your heart and keep your muscles flexible. So, if you've been eating well but still feel weak or sore, these hidden foods might be the reason. Cutting them down, even a little, can make a huge difference in your strength, balance, and recovery. The morning boost. Protein timing matters. Here's another important tip. Your first meal of the day sets the tone for your muscles. After fasting all night, your body needs a quick supply of amino acids to stop muscle breakdown and start repair. That's why a protein-rich breakfast is crucial. It's like telling your body, okay, let's rebuild and get stronger today. Great morning options include 2 boiled eggs or an omelet with vegetables, a protein smoothie with banana and oats, or Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Studies show that spreading your protein intake evenly across the day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, can increase muscle strength by up to 25% in older adults. So if you add that 1 spoon before bed and follow it up with a strong breakfast, your body gets a full 24-hour cycle of support for recovery and growth. Simple habits that enhance muscle repair. Of course, food alone isn't everything. Here are 3 simple daily habits that supercharge your muscle recovery. Move every day. Even a 20-minute walk or a few gentle resistance band exercises tells your muscles to stay active and strong. Stay hydrated. Muscles are nearly 75% water, and dehydration can lead to cramps and weakness. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Most of your muscle repair happens while you sleep. That's why your bedtime routine, including that spoonful of protein, makes such a difference. Final thoughts. Remember, losing muscle after 60 isn't inevitable. Your body can rebuild strength at any age if you give it the right tools. A small spoon before bed, a strong breakfast, and a few mindful habits can completely change how you feel, from tired and achy to steady, strong, and confident. You don't need expensive supplements or heavy workouts, just consistency and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay strong and healthy after 60.